Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, we're here with Jay today, and we're doing service on our 1-ton Chevrolet 13 with the locking hubs. Now here, all we wanted to do today is to service these bearings. We've been mudding the stuff out of it, but we wanted to show people. So here's basically your Chevrolet bearing, and we've got this needle bearing in the back. This is a Ford Super Duty hub. The Ford Super Duties, they use a 12mm bearing, a B2110. We use great big old 20mm wide bearings, big old HK 3520s with the grease seals too, for even more load capacity. It's about double that. So what Jay's gonna show us, we took the locker off. You can see this thing's all together. He's just gonna pop this bearing out from the back side and knock it out to the back. And then we're just gonna replace it. And we've left everything on here. All we've done is pull the locker body out of the middle of the hub. So we're getting ready to see that right now. Oh yeah, go ahead, Jay. Tap that thing out. Oh.
There we go.
Huh?
There we go.
Yeah, you can go ahead and put the new one in. Just normal little race driver right here. It fits perfectly. Just gonna tap it in the backside. You can see that this bearing's in pretty good shape. It is starting to get dry, but it's in pretty good shape. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys is there we go. That bearing's already changed. Now if you'll see, we just pulled the two CV shafts. You got to take that splash shield underneath, and you can just remove them 8 bolts on each side, and you can pull your CV shafts out, folks. I want you to understand something, that you do not have to have the hubs removed on these Chevrolets. You can change the shafts. You can do whatever you want to with them. That's all you gotta do. Alright, my friends, we're gonna be on the next time. Alright, that's all you gotta do. And I will show you one thing. If you've got a little seal puller or a bearing puller, you can pop this seal out from the back side without moving the locker or anything. If you've got that little $25 tool, you don't have to take anything off. Just come back from the inside. We wanted to show people popping that locker off. All right, cool. God bless you. God bless America, and happy trucking. Bye.